There are all kinds of winter projects you can do to bring life or a little bit of the garden into the home. And one of the simplest is to just take a flower bulb, like one of these paper white narcissus, and grow them into something gorgeous and fragrant. Now, what's interesting about paper whites is that you can grow them as long as you give them a little water and a little light and some warmth. What I'm talking about here is once you apply water to whatever medium you're growing them in, whether it's soil like this or gravel or in just water alone, they will begin to germinate and bloom within 6 weeks. And you want to make sure that the temperature for the paper whites is between 65 and 75 degrees, and you don't want to keep them in direct sunlight. Now, I grow these in lots of different ways. I like to mass them in a big bowl like you see here, growing in soil, or you can take a bulb and drop it in a glass container like that, add a little water, and that flower will grow right out of the top and bloom. They're really indestructible. You see, what's great about them is that the flower is already in the bulb, and I'm going to sacrifice this one just to show you. There's the embryo of that flower, and all you have to do is give it some moisture, give it the temperature I just described, and some sunlight, and it will begin to grow and flower for you. From the Garden Home, I'm Alan Smith.